probably haven't done it since like elementary school. Hey guys, it's me. So today I'm going to be trying my hand at jewelry making. I probably haven't done it since like elementary school. And then I'm going to style the necklace that I make. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I thought I was recording. Apparently I wasn't. So I have to explain all this quickly. This is a camera angle I'm working with. I don't really have another space in my room. But yeah, I'm gonna have this music over this because people just got home, they're loud, and I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm going to speed it up. Let me show you these first. So these are the charms I picked. If it can come to focus. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but those are just the ones I picked. And then I have, ooh girl, I have the white beads to go with them. So let's get started.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh, did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted this since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen thinking dead. So mama found she to them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see you when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish at 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but I feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again.
Alright guys, so this is the necklace I made. It's kind of cute or whatever. This is like 20 hours later. No, it's not, but this did take me a while. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to be styling. And I'm just going to have like 2 outfits. It's not going to be something major. But yeah, that's a necklace. Let's get on to it. Okay guys, so I have my first outfit. Obviously, well, I guess obviously at this point, it's gonna be the kind of bad angle, because we know what's going on in my room. So yeah, let me show you. I will say with this, you might want to wear a strapless bra. Strapless bra kind of freak me out, so I probably wouldn't wear one. But I would wear nipple covers, which I don't have right now. So let's go ahead and show you. This is the outfit. It's very cute. I couldn't tell you where this top was from. I think I got it from Dollskill a long time ago. I don't shop there anymore, but yeah, that's where the top is from. It's very cute. The bottoms are from ASOS, and I won't link them down below because I also got them a while ago. But I'll link the type the brand down below. So this is like the base outfit. You can see I have my little necklace on that matches with it. And then I would wear these shoes. I tried them on with the outfit and it gave very much so Bratz vibes, like to the cutest amount. So these are my Buffalo Londons. And they match really well with the top. And I would wear these with like some church socks, like the ones with the frill around the ankle, and call it a day. Like it gave very much so skinny leg Bratz vibes. Like I don't have thick thighs, but I have like not thin thighs, and then I have like chicken legs at the bottom, and then with these slapped on there, yes, I'm a Bratz doll. So yeah, I don't know if those shoes are still for sale either, so I'll just link like put the brand name. But yeah, if I can find those shoes, I'll link them. If not, I'm sorry. So yeah, so let's get on into, I want to do like this because you can kind of see the outfit better. Let's get on into the next outfit. Alright, and then outfit number 2 is more of my relaxed type of style. It is girly, but it's not like any type of uncomfortable. I do have a bikini top on because I am not about to subject myself to a bra. I have released myself from those shackles today, so I have a bikini top on. So yeah, my necklace is here. I also layered these 2 necklaces. This one is from Vibeszn. It says my name, and then this one is from Vanessa Mooney. So yeah, also my earrings are from Vanessa Mooney. These are from Vanessa Mooney. And then my back ones are just from like when I got my ear this side re-pierced. I have the same piercing on this side because I'm not about to look like a bozo with one, like, no. So I just put them both in. And then pretend like I have a piercing up here that's like pink or like green, because I want to get it pierced up here, and I think that it would look cute with this outfit, but I don't have it yet. So yeah, let me show you guys. Okay, I really need to get a taller tripod, but anyways, so this is the second outfit, or in the last outfit. I was only gonna do 2, but yeah, I have these sweats on from 40s and Shorties. These are like the best sweatpants, so comfy, and the pockets are lined on the inside, like, yes. So yeah, I have these on, and then I have this shirt on this shirt is from Forever 21. I don't shop there anymore either, but I have this for years, so I'm gonna wear the clothes I have. So yeah, I have this top and then these sweatpants, and then I would wear them with my Filas. Closer so you can see. Again, a big chunky shoe. You know how it is. You know how it is. Bratz vibes always. So yeah, Filas with this. So yeah. So yeah, that was my styling the jewelry I make video, I guess. I really wanted to make some jewelry, so I was like, might as well combine it with a clothing video. Why not? Why not? You know? So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video.